Step into the Ford 2017 Super Duty F-250 SRW Lariat. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, chrome package, gross vehicle weight, 10.0 pounds payload package, Lariat value package, order code 608A, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM and CD player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.